First, let me ask you guys one question. Have a lot of you guys experienced the same situation as I do? Every single light after we return home and we turn on our lights, you can feel the dazzling lights go straight into our eyesight. I think as time goes by, it's going to be hurting our eyesight. That's why today I bring you guys this new product, the Smart LED Floor Atmosphere Lights. It's going to be helping us, be more protective of our eyesight. And it's quite useful, it's very interesting. Let's move on and dive into this product. So now, as you can see, what we're holding is the light itself. Actually, we're going to be lighting very soon, okay? Let's see what interesting thing going to happen. As the second object now we're having is the strap, because as you can see, this will be inserted into the pole and under this the main lights, and so we can have like double brightness. Now we're having this for pole segments. We'll be integrating them all together. This is just a little gadget, and this is just the plug, and it's also a screwdriver and the remote. Okay, look at this pedestal. This is like basically our base. I'm not going to be cooking. This is not like the kitchen stuff. Okay, this is actually the base. It's for everything. So basically, I'm laying everything out, all those like lamp parts. I'm putting them all on the desk. I was trying to build them up. Let's see what's going to happen later. Okay, stay tuned for that. So okay, as you can see, we've got these 4 pole segments. So you can see down the ends, we've actually labeled them with ABC. You can just accord to the ABC, just try to make the metal slots, connecting to the other ends. So you can always find the corresponding right ends and try to connect them all. It's very easy peasy job for you all. Now the steel part is now getting apart from the pole segments. Now we have to screw it on. So we can find the metal slots. Just basically you can just let it go slide in and we can start screwing. Just make sure every single screw goes in very tight. So as you can see, we've just finished assembling everything all together. Now it's getting pretty long. The pole is just as you can see. Next, you need to insert the black power cable into the metal slots. So now we have to make the cable go through the bottom. It is to go through all the way through the bottom. So now you have to just push it downwards. Make sure it gets stuck like so. Okay. So now we can screw the little metal down the bottom. Okay, now we can just insert the pole in. Just make sure it doesn't get tangled with the wire. And also you have to find the right hole, make sure the hole match it. And just make sure the holes match each other. So now we can start screwing. And then snap the neon light strip into it. Everybody, you have to stay very cautious about this part because you have to start from both ends. Make sure you start inserting the lights from both ends. Keep squeezing it from both parts, both ends, towards the middle. This is very important. So now just make sure these 2 electric wire is connecting to each other. Okay, make sure you're able to click it in. You can start connecting the strip with the main lights, and also just make sure you can clip it in. Okay, this finally we get to the final step is to screw the last 2 screws on. So now the final step is to plug it in. Hey guys, we've just finished exploration about this new product, the Smart LED Atmosphere Floodlights. If you think this is quite interesting, you can just hit us up by subscribing our channel DeckTok and like our videos and try to repost our videos and be sharing our videos to other friends. So if you're interested in our products, just stay tuned for our channel and I'll be sharing you guys with smart hacks about our products, how to decorate your home like much prettier in the soon future. And stay tuned for my following videos. Thank you guys. See you guys soon.